For this scene, I'm going to be sitting on the couch reading a book, and as you can see, the image looks really flat. So once again, we're going to turn all the lights off to give us that blank canvas. I switch on the lamp behind me, but the lamp is overexposed. So I'm going to stick on the ND filter just to get the correct exposure. But now, as you can see, I'm underexposed. To balance things out, I bring in a softbox to imitate the light coming from the lamp. The far side is still too dark, so I bounce the light off the ceiling just enough to lift my shoulders and cheek. This is a before image, and this is after. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please feel free to leave any questions, tips or advice in the comments.